How to download Yandere simulator on Mac. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you additional information for you to download and play Yandere simulator using your MacBook. So first, if you go ahead and head straight into Yandere simulator's official site and click this download option here, you can go ahead and scroll down, and then you should be able to see the additional information that as of now, Yandere simulator is a PC only game. They cannot provide you with a Mac or Linux or Android build of the game right now. But what you can do is to run a Windows simulator for your Mac operating system. To do so is just open up your Safari or any available browser that you can use, and then simply type in crossover Mac, choose on the first result, and you will automatically be redirected into Code Weavers. Now download this crossover simulator for Windows and then go back into this page. And that is how you download the Ender simulator for Mac.